Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a video right here on this Microsoft Word document. Alright, so we're going to take the video from YouTube, definitely. Alright, so I want to click on insert right here. Then I want to come into the middle and click right here. Notice it's an online video. Now when I click, what is happening? Notice it bring up right here, say enter address online video. So I'm going to come right here. Google Chrome. So this says Google Chrome. So if I click on this Google Chrome, definitely, what I can do definitely in order for me to get a link, right? Definitely I can come right up here and I can come like this, block it, and then I right click, then I should make a copy. And then I'm going to come right here, click back right here. So I'm going to click right inside here, right click. Notice it's a paste. I'm going to paste it. If you notice, this is a video. If you notice right there, you say cancel, notice the insert. So I'm going to click. So there you go. But in order for you to move it, you have to right click on it. I come right down here to wrap text. Then you can click top to bottom or behind text. You notice you can actually move it. Then you can come like this, size it down. You can actually use this shape also to give it a nice shape, roll up just like that. You can put it like that in all the shape you want to put it in. You can literally get it just like that. Yes, you can put it, frame it the way you want it, just like that. And definitely, I can actually play this video so far. So this is how you actually insert a video right here in your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.